So today we will discuss this tree data structure. So tree data structure, it is a non-linear data structure, and this tree represents a hierarchical structure. So data are arranged in hierarchical structure. You can see here this is a tree. This diagram represents a tree data structure, and here all the nodes are the data items or data elements, and these nodes are used to store data, and all these nodes are arranged in hierarchical structure. All these nodes are used to store data and they are arranged in a hierarchical structure, and these nodes are arranged in the multiple levels. Okay, and the topmost node in this tree data structure is known as a root node. You can see this is the topmost node. So this is the root node. The topmost node in the tree data structure is known as a root node, and each node contains some data and the link to other nodes known as children. Each node contains data and it also contains link to other nodes, and the nodes which are derived from a node are known as children of that node. So this is the root node. As I told you, that the topmost node from where the tree started or tree is generated, that is known as the root node. So this is the root node here. Node A is the root node, and then from node A to nodes are started generated, node B and node C. So these are the child nodes or children of node A. Similarly, from node B, you can see node D and E are generated. So these node D and E are the children of node B. Similarly, here you can see node F and G are descendant of this node C. Okay, so this node F and node G are the child nodes of node C. Similarly, other nodes are there. So here you can see this node D is parent node of this node H and node I, and node H and node I are the child nodes of node D. Similarly, here node D and node E are the child nodes of node B, and node B is the parent node of node D and node E. Okay, and all the nodes, they are uh, they are arranged in different levels. The root node is at the first level, and the level number starts from 0. So the root node, that is the topmost node, is at the level 0, and then its children, its immediate children, they are at the next level, that is level 1, and their immediate children, they are at the next level, that is level 2. So likewise it will be incremented, the level will be incremented. The last nodes, the nodes which does not have any child node, are known as leaf nodes. You can see this is a leaf node, this one, because it does not have any children. Okay, and parent nodes are those nodes which are having one or more child nodes. Okay, and there is a subtree. You can see these subtrees can be formed or can be generated from a node. Okay, so if you cut from here, so it is a subtree. You can see this is a subtree. That means this is a subset of this big tree. Okay, this is a subtree. Similar, this can also be subtree. Okay, this can also be subtree. Okay, so this is your tree data structure. Okay, any question? Any
No,
questions,
sir.
friend? Okay, so it is a non-linear data structure. Then terminology of tree data structure. So these are the tree data structure terminology: child, sibling, degree, internal node, leaf node, level, height, depth, subtree, forest, root, age, parent. All these are terminology of tree data structure. Okay. So we will discuss all these terminology used in tree data structure. Someone is raising hand. Do you have any question? Someone
सर
raised.
अ,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सर सर
Tell.
पैरेंट नोड एंड सिबलिंग नोड का एक ही लेवल था, तो मतलब पेरेंट और सिबलिंग अलग अलग टर्म्स क्यों?
Here. Here. This one you are saying.
यस सर, यस सर.
Okay. See, here, this is a parent node and this is a parent of these two children. So there are different parents. In a tree, there may be different parents and different childrens. Okay. So this node D node is a parent node of these two children. These two children. These are the children of this node. So this is the parent and these are the children. So this is one family. Okay. And here you can see this is a child of this node C and this is a child of this node. So F and G are children of node C. So here C is a parent of these two child nodes F and G. And if parent is same, then the nodes are known as siblings. Okay. So children of same parent are known as siblings. So if node F and node G's parent, who is the node F, node G's parent?
Let's see.
She
सी
is the parent of these two nodes. So
यस
this parent is different from this parent.
यस
Okay.
सर. इफ एफ को एक्सटेंड करेंगे तो फिर एफ, फिर
हाँ यहाँ से भी
पेरेंट
कर
नोड,
सकते हो. हाँ ये एक्सटेंड हो सकता है. अगर करोगे तो F will
तो
become a
एफ
parent.
पेरेंट. ओके सर.
So we will discuss all these in more detail. Okay, don't worry.
सर और
We'll,
एक क्वेश्चन है.
yeah.
सर आपने जो बोला रूट मींस रूट से वो सब ब्रांचेस मींस दे आर ऑल अरेंज इन हायरार्की ऑफ हायरार्किकल ऑर्डर.
Mhm.
सो सर जो रूट से जो पेरेंट नोड निकला है और चाइल्ड नोड निकला है मींस उससे जो निकला मींस दे आर ऑल इनडायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड. कैन वी से दैट दे आर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड, like root directly connected to the parent node, root directly
See,
connected to the
listen,
child
listen,
node?
listen. Here, any node can be, any node is I mean can be a parent of any other node. There is a grandparent also. So root node is parent node of node B and node C. This root node A is parent of B and C. B is parent of D and E. C is parent of F and G. Okay. Now A is grandparent of D and E. A is also grandparent of F and G. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And A is grandparent of these nodes H, I, J. Okay. So it's like family. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we will discuss in more detail about this terminology. Okay. Not worry. So these are the terminology of the tree data structure, and we will discuss in more detail about this terminology now. So the first terminology is root. The first node from where the tree originates is known as a root. Okay, you can see this is a tree. Okay, and this is the first node from where this tree is originated. From node A, the two nodes are generated B and C. Then from B, you can see three nodes are generated or originated. Then from C, node C, two nodes are originated. From G, one node is originated. From E, again, two nodes are originated. So like this. This is a tree, and this node A is the root node because all other nodes they are originated from this node A. So this is the starting point. Okay, and this is known as the root node. And in a tree, there will be only one root node. Okay, a tree can have only one root node. It cannot have multiple root nodes. Is that clear? Or any question? Hmm? Any question?
No,
This is
sir.
root node.
No, sir.
Then next is edge. Edge is the connecting link between any two nodes. Okay, so you see all these are nodes: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. All these are nodes, and I have already told you that nodes are used to store data, and it also can stores a link to the other nodes. Okay, and the nodes whose link it contains or stores is known as the children. Okay, of that node, and this link is used to connect the pair of nodes. Okay, you can see A, B are connected by this link. Now this is the edge. Similarly, AC also connected by the link. So this is the link, and this is known as edge. Okay, so all nodes are connected by using link and connecting link, and that link is known as edge. So all these are edges. So this is edge, this is an edge, this is an edge, this is an edge. All these are edges. Okay, now to represent or tell the edge. So AC is edge. So this is edge. How to tell that? AC is edge. Similarly, this one, this edge is AB is edge. Okay. Similarly, this one, this is BF is edge. Okay, so all these are edges. So this edge is actually the connecting link between any two nodes. Okay, and in a tree with n number of nodes, there are exactly n minus 1 number of edges. Okay, in a tree with n number of nodes, there are exactly n minus 1 number of edges. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I have a question for you. Find the total number of edges in a tree with 12 nodes.
Sir, 11.
Yes, 11 number of nodes. Okay. Okay. So the next is parent node. Okay. So parent node is a node which has a branch from it to any other node. Okay. So you can see this is a parent node, and from here, from this node, there is branch. Okay. So you can see this is one branch and this is another branch, and these are the children of this node. Okay. So, and this is the parent node. Okay. So he is a parent of these two nodes. Similarly, from this node, you see from node B, you can see different branches are there. This is a branch, this is another branch, this is another branch, and here D, E, F are the branches generated from this B. Okay, so D, E, and F are the child nodes of node B, and node B is now the parent node of these three nodes. Okay. Similarly, here node C is the parent of these two nodes, okay? And G and H are the child nodes of this node C. Okay? Node G is parent of node K. Similarly, node E is parent of node I and node C. Okay, so this is known as parent node. Okay, is that clear? Any question? Hmm? Any question, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So find all parent nodes in the above figure. What are the parent nodes? Tell me.
Sir, B. Sir,
Yes.
A, B,
Sir,
C.
4.
1.
A, B, then
C,
C,
E,
then
E.
E, then
J.
ये तो बोल दिया ना. A, B, C बोला
Sir,
उसको.
A, B, C, E.
D, then
G.
क्या?
G.
D. D parent
Sir,
है.
G.
G,
G.
G, G, G. G is a parent. Okay. So G is a parent of which node?
K.
A. E is the parent of which node?
INJ.
IJ,
B. Yes. B is the parent of which node?
D and F,
B. B. B is
DEF.
parent of D, E, F. Okay.
D,
D,
DF,
F.
sorry,
Yes.
DF,
And C is the parent of which node?
G and F,
GH.
G and H. Okay, good. And A is the parent of
B and C.
B and C. Okay, good. Okay, so this is the parent. Okay. Next is child. So the node which is a descendant of some node is known as the child node. Okay. So you can see C node C is the descendant of node A. Similarly, node B is the descendant of node A. Okay. And here also you can see node D is the descendant of node B. Node G is the descendant of node C. Okay. So the node which is the descendant of some other node is known as a child node. Okay. So C is the child of A, B is the child of A, D is the child of B. Okay. E is the child of B, like this. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. And all the nodes except root node can be child nodes. Okay, are child nodes. Root node is not a child node because it is not a descendant of any other node. Is it a descendant of any other node? This root node A? No, because the starting point is this one A. From A, all other nodes are originated. Okay, so this is the root node. Root node is not a child node. Okay, except root node or all other nodes can be child nodes. Okay. So now question: find all child nodes in the above figure.
Sir, except A, all the other
Yes,
are child
except A, all are the child nodes. Okay. So B is the child of which node?
nodes. Sir, A,
A.
A,
J is the child of which node?
E,
E,
E. Okay. F is the child node of which
B,
node?
B.
B. Okay, good. So this is your child node. Okay. Okay. The next is sibling. So nodes which belong to the same parent are known as siblings. Okay. So children of same parent are known as siblings. Okay. In other words, nodes with the same parent are sibling nodes. Okay. So you can see here uh, this B, node B and node C. These two nodes parent is same. Parent is this A. Okay. So these two are siblings. Node B and node C are siblings. Similarly, here you can see node G and node H parent is same C. So these two are known as siblings. Okay? So like that. Similarly, I and J, these two nodes parent is same, that is E. So these two are siblings. Okay? So this is siblings. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Now, can you see the question?
No, sir.
Hmm? Huh?
No, sir.
Yes, answer this question. And the siblings of D and C. Yes or no? Fine. D का कौन
Sir,
सा है?
sibling, D का E and F,
Yes.
I का J और C का B.
Okay, C का B. Good. Okay. The next is degree. So the degree of a node is the total number of children of that node. Okay. So degree of a node is the total number of children. For example, you see this node C. So how many children are there for this node C? Node C का कितना children है?
So two.
Hmm?
Two.
2. So its degree is 2. So degree of C is 2. Similarly, node B का कितना children है? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 चिल्ड्रन है. सो इसका डिग्री कितना हो गया? 3. ठीक है. वैसे ये वाला देखो, नोड जी का कितना चिल्ड्रन है? नोड जी का कितना चिल्ड्रन है?
So one.
One
Okay.
children, so its degree is 1. Okay, so this is the degree of a node, but degree of a tree is the highest degree of a node among all nodes in the tree. Means in all the nodes of a tree, uh, the highest degree, whatever is the highest degree of any node, so that is the degree of the whole tree. Okay, so here in this case, what is the highest degree of any node in this case?
So 3.
3. So 3 is the highest degree of node B. उससे ज़्यादा और कोई नोड का नहीं है डिग्री. Okay, so this degree of this tree is the degree of this node B. That is 3. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, root का degree?
Root का degree कितना होगा बोलो?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2.
हाँ 2. Now you find this find the answer to the questions. Okay. Question 1 is find the degree of all nodes in the above figure. And question 2 is find the degree of the above tree. So degree of the above tree already found, we did that. Question number 2 we did. What's the answer to question number 2? Question
Sir,
number
degree of the tree is 3.
3, yes. And question number 1, बोलो. A से शुरू करो.
Sir, A का degree 2,
Yes,
B
Sir,
का
B का
3,
3,
yes,
C का 2,
yes.
and E का 2 and G का 1.
हाँ उसके बाद और भी तो नोड है ना.
Sir,
sir,
D, F,
D, F, H, 0.
किसका?
Sir,
D,
D,
F, H, G,
हाँ D,
F,
D,
H,
F, H.
हाँ D F H कितना?
0.
0. गुड. उसके बाद I J
K का
K,
भी 0.
I J K का भी 0. ओके, ठीक है. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The next is internal node. So the node which has at least one child is known as a internal node. अगर एक भी चाइल्ड नोड है किसी भी नोड का तो उसको बोलते हैं इंटरनल नोड. और अगर कोई भी चाइल्ड नोड नहीं है देन दैट इज नॉट एन इंटरनल नोड. Okay. And internal nodes are also known as non-terminal nodes, right? And also known as non-leaf node. Okay. So in this diagram you can see uh, A can be internal node, B is also internal node, C is also internal node, G is also internal node. Okay. So all the nodes which is having at least one child node, so that is a internal node. And if any node having no child, that is not internal. Okay. Is that clear? And these internal nodes are also known as non-terminal nodes. Okay. Non-leaf nodes also you can say. Is that clear? Hmm?
sir.
So now solve this question. Question number 1. List all internal nodes in the above figure. What are the internal nodes in this figure? Tell me.
Sir, B, C,
Yes, B, C,
E, G, E,
E.
G.
and G.
Okay. And
Sir, A.
yes, A also. Okay. Write total number of non-terminal nodes in the above figure.
Sir, same ही होगा.
कितना नंबर? नंबर बोल कितना?
So 5.
4.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Next is leaf node. So the node which does not have any child is known as a leaf node. Okay. And this is also known as external node or terminal node. Okay. So the node which does not have any child node. So you can see D, node D has no child, so it is a leaf node or external node. Similarly, node I, J, K, and H, F, all these nodes, they don't have any child node. Okay, so these are known as leaf nodes. Okay. So list all leaf nodes in this diagram, as I told you.
Sir, I, J, K, and H.
I, J, K, H, and
D and F.
Yes.
E and F. Okay. So write the total number of external nodes in the above figure. Total number
Sir, 6.
6.
6. Okay, good. Then level. So in a tree, each step from top to bottom is called as level of tree. Each step, okay, from top to bottom. So top node is the root node, okay, and the level counts starts from the 0, and it is incremented by 1, okay, at this step. So at the top we have root. So root is at the level 0. Okay, so this level starts from level 0. Root is at the level 0, and then the next level is level 1, then next is level 2, like this, and it is incremented by 1 at each step. Okay, so this is known as level. Okay, is that clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what will be the answer to this question? List all internal and external nodes of level 2 in the above figure.
Sir, internal node will be E
Yes, then
and G,
yes.
and external will be D, F, and H.
Okay, good. And in level 3,
सर लेवल 3 में इंटरनल लोड नहीं है, खाली एक्सटर्नल है. I, J, K.
good. And in level 1,
Sir, 2 internal nodes, B and C.
so there is no internal external node in level 1. Okay. So next is height. So height of a node, okay, is determined by counting the number of edges, okay, from a leaf node to that node. Okay, so the total number of edges that lies on the longest path from any leaf node to a particular node is known as the height of that node. Okay, so you take any node, suppose this node we are taking B. Okay, so from this node B, it has many descendants. Okay, and there are many paths from B. From B, there are many paths. This is one path, this is another path, and this is another path, this is another path. Okay, so there are different paths from B to the leaf node. Different leaf nodes are there. So height is the total number of edges, okay, from the leaf node to this node, okay, in the longest path. Okay, are you getting me or not? From the leaf node to this node or to any node. If you want to find height of a node, so you have to find the total number of edges from the leaf node to that node in a longest path. Okay, so here in this case from B, there are how many paths? Can see? Tell me how many paths are there from B to the leaf node? To the leaf node, how many paths are there?
3 paths.
How many paths? From B?
3.
3. What are they?
सर सर बी से डी तक एक पाथ होगा,
हाँ. Then
बी से एफ
B से F, another path.
और बी से ले जे के,
B से
बी से जे और आई तक।
तो 2 हो गया ना. B E J is one path, B E I is another path. Leaf node तक है ना path. The path from this node B to leaf node. So how many leaf nodes are there? How many leaf nodes?
सर डी एंड एफ।
4 leaf node है ना. D E J and F है कि नहीं? D I J and F. D I J and F are the leaf nodes. So from B there will be 4 paths. This is one path. B D is one path. B E B E I is one path. B E J is another path, and B F is another path. So all these are paths, different paths. So which one is the longest path?
फ्रॉम बी टू जे।
And B to I?
यस सर, वो भी एक।
Okay, but both uh, length of these two paths are same. So what are the number of edges in these two paths?
2 एजेस।
2 edges. Okay. So you take this one, this path. So this is one edge, the other another edge. So the height of this node B is 2. And you also take this path I B E I. So this is one edge, this is another edge. So both path number of edges same. So you take any one. So and this path number of edge is one only, and this path number of edge is only one. So the longest path is either this one or this one. So you take any one, both are same. Okay, take any one. So the number of edges in the longest path is how many? 2. So height of this node B is 2. Height of this node B is 2. Is that clear?
यस सर।
Now height of this node H. Height of this node H is a leaf node. So leaf node's height is 0, because according to the definition of height of a node, definition of a height of a node is the total number of edges from the leaf node to that node. So here total number of edges from edge to edge, so there is no edge. Yes or no? So 0. Height of edge is 0. So you remember height of a leaf node is 0. Okay. Now tell me what is the height of this node C?
Sir, 2.
2. Because longest path from C to leaf is this one. Okay, C G K. So 2 edges are there, this one and this one. Okay. So the height of C is 2. Okay, is that clear?
यस सर।
Now answer these two questions. Write the height of all nodes in the above three. Tell me.
सर ए का हाइट होगा 3,
Yes. Then
सर बी का 2, सी का 2,
B का 2, C का 2.
सर जी का 1
Then
और ई का भी 1।
then
Sir, D, F, I, J, K, H का 0.
yes, good, very good. Okay. So question number 1 is complete. Now question number 2.
सर 3।
Sir, 3.
Yes. Why 3?
सर फ्रॉम ए टू आई और जे।
Yes, the node having highest any node with highest number of degree, highest yes, height is the height of that tree. Okay, so node A is having height 3, so that is the highest. Okay, so node of this tree is 3. Okay, now depth. So depth is total number of edges from root node to a particular node. Okay, so depth of a node is the total number of edges from root node to that particular node. Okay, for example, you take this node B. So depth of this node B is the total number of edges from root node. Root node is, which one is the root node? A. So from root node to this node, what are the total number of edges? So how many edges are there from root node to this node B? Only one, this one. So depth of this node B is 1. Okay. Similarly, depth of this node H, the total number of edges from root node to this node, how many? कितना है? 2. This
So
one,
2.
this and this 2. So depth of this node H is 2. Okay. And the depth of a tree is the total number of edges from root node to a leaf node in the longest path. If you want to find the depth of the tree, then it is the depth of any node in the longest path. Okay. Depth of a tree is the total number of edges from the root node to the leaf node in the longest path. Okay, in the longest path, you have to find the number of edges from the root node to a leaf node. That is depth of the tree. Okay, and depth of the root node is 0 because number of edges from itself to it. Okay, is 0. And the term level and depth are used interchangeably. Okay, level and depth. Okay, is that clear? Hmm? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you answer these two questions. Write the depth of all nodes in the above tree. Tell me.
Sir, I, J, K have 3.
I, J, K have 3. Yes. Then
The D, E, F, G, H have 2.
yes. Then
B, C 1 and A 0.
yes. Good. Very good. Now question number 2.
Sir, 0.
What is the depth of the above tree? Tree का depth कैसे निकालोगे? Depth of tree is the total number of edges from the root node to a leaf node in the longest path. रूट से लेके लीफ तक लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ में. Are you getting me or not?
Sir, थोड़ा फिर से.
If you are finding depth of a node, then you are counting the number of edges from root node to that node. Okay. But depth of a tree means the total number of edges from the root node to the leaf node. Root node to the leaf node in the longest path. Root node to the leaf node in the longest path. So root से लेके कौन सा leaf तक longest path है बताओ मुझे.
Sir, I, J,
Sir.
K तक.
I, J, K, ठीक है ना. तो तीनों का सेम है. तो कितना उसमें एज है बताओ.
3.
3.
So that will be the depth of the tree. Okay. रूट से लेके लीफ तक जो लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ निकालना है तुम्हें, उस लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ में कितना एज है, ठीक है, उसी को काउंट करना. दैट इज द डेप्थ ऑफ द ट्री. ओके.
सर तो डेप्थ और हाइट सेम हो सकता है.
हाइट कैसे निकालते हो? हाइट इज फाउंड बाय काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ एजेस फ्रॉम द लीफ नोड टू दैट नोड. But depth we are finding by counting the number of edges from the root node to that node. समझ में आया?
हाँ यस सर.
हाइट और डेप्थ दोनों अपोजिट है कि नहीं?
यस सर.
बी का तुम निकाल रहे हो डेप्थ. डेप्थ में क्या करते हो? रूट से बी तक कितना एजेस है. लेकिन वही बी का हाइट निकालो कैसे? बी से लॉन्गेस्ट मैंने बी से लीफ नोड तक जो लॉन्गेस्ट पाथ है वहां से काउंट करना है तुम्हें नंबर ऑफ एजेस. सो बी का हाइट कितना है यहाँ बताओ. बी का हाइट
सर
B का
2
height 2 है,
The
लेकिन
two.
B का डेप्थ कितना है?
1
1। ठीक है। और ये जो डेप्थ है इसको लेवल भी हम बोलते हैं, डेप्थ इज सेम एज लेवल, है कि नहीं? लेवल बी कौन से लेवल में है?
Second.
0,
फर्स्ट लेवल
this is level
First.
1. A is 0 level. Okay, root is at level 0, then this is at level 1. This is level 1, this is level 3. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
The next is subtree. So subtree is the set of all nodes underneath a particular node x. Okay, rooted at x. In a tree, each child from a node forms a subtree recursively. Okay, so you can see here, this is the root node, and this whatever you are seeing here, this is a subtree. This is a subtree rooted at B. Similarly, this is a subtree rooted at C. Similarly, you take this one. This is a subtree, okay, rooted at E. Okay, are you getting me or not? All these are subtrees. Okay,
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ गया? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Then forest. Forest is a set of disjoint trees. Okay, so see in this diagram, if you cut these two, you cut this, so disjoint, you have to disjoint this. अगर disjoint कर देते हो, so this will become one tree, this will become another tree. So forest is actually a set of disjoint trees. You disjoint this, so it will become two trees. This is one tree, this is one tree. Okay, so see here, this is one tree, this is another tree. So this is a forest. So in forest we have multiple trees in the forest. Yes or no? So this is a tree and this is another tree. Both are disjoint. They are not joint. Okay. So forest is a set of disjoint trees. Is that clear?
यस सर
So this is the summary of tree terminology. Okay. So we can go through this. Everything we discussed: root node, parent, child, sibling, internal node, children, grandparent. Also I told you. Okay. See, A is grandparent of this E and F. Okay, like that. Descendant of a node, child, grandchild, child, etc. So see, B, C are descendant of A. Similarly, E, F are descendant of B, like that. Okay, and path is sequence of nodes. Okay, along the edges. And depth of a node, depth of a tree, height of a node, height of a tree we discussed, degree of node, degree of tree we discussed, level we discussed, soft tree we discussed, and forest also we discussed. Okay, so this is all about the tree terminology. Okay, any question?
No,
Any
sir.
question? Okay, so your time is over. So with this I'm ending the class, and we'll discuss the rest in the next class. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.